Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are filming the cash collection. I've not done a cash collection in so long. So we are doing 8 machines today, but 3 of them don't take cash, so I'll just show you the card numbers for them. But yeah, right now we're doing the pre-kitting, which is getting all the stock and putting it in the boxes for each machine. Dad's with me. Dad, say hi.
Hi.
We're going to finish this off and then we're going to go to the first location. We'll see you there. Hey guys, I'm sorry that I have been away, not filming anything for a few months, but I am back now and you will get more regular uploads. I've been dealing with some health issues, so I've just been trying to get that all fixed up. I've got to have surgery, so I've been training my dad up on the business as well. So yeah, I'm glad to be back and I hope you guys stick around. Okay guys, just heading out of the unit and we are going to the first place. It's a factory. It's got 3 machines. It's got a coffee machine, a drink machine and a snack machine. The snack machine is always selling out, so I think I'm going to convert the drink machine, which is the bigger machine, into a snack machine, and then vice versa with the drink machine. So yeah, we're going to head there. I'll show you what I mean by always selling out, and you'll also see how much cash it does and how much card it does, so you'll get kind of a hint of how much work this location actually is. So we will see you when we get there. Three weeks into March and already this snack machine has done £423.30 in cash and card. In the same location and the same time frame, this drinks machine has done £261.20. Here I'm collecting the cash from the coffee machine, and altogether in cash and card it did £244. Okay guys, just got to the second location. It's another like maintenance depot, but it doesn't take cash, so I'm going to put on the screen when we film up how much it does in card. Let's go. These 3 machines is the coffee machine that I didn't show, a snack machine and a drink machine. The snack machine did £195 the past 3 weeks. So next is the drink machine. It's a big Bevmax machine and it did £165.50. Then we have the coffee machine. I don't really fill up the coffee machine that much. It doesn't get used. I just have it there to keep this location happy. I do have quite a few of these locations. It has done £34.20 in the past 3 weeks. Okay guys, we are on to the last place now. It's a care home. It's got 2 machines in it. Let's go see how much it did. Okay, so this care home I've had for, I think, around nearly 4 years now. They're absolutely obsessed with Coke Zero, as you can tell by how many Coke Zero cans there is in this machine. The combi with the Coke Zero cans, that did £164.45. And the other machine did £287.30. That is in 3 weeks. Okay guys, it is a few days later and I have the bag of coins. Here we go. So I'm going to count these. I'm going to bore you whilst I'm counting it. And then I'll come back and I'll let you know how much we did, cash and card, for each location that we went to. Okay guys, the total sum of cash that we've collected is £267.75. See you in the next one.